Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about the difference between RAG and MCP, both built for the betterment of AI and possess unique use cases which is different from each other. So RAG, we know, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, it is completely knowledge-based and reduce hallucination, static information retrieval, which is because we give the input, the context from the user. It may be a PDF, doc file, or JSON. We feed the information, and a model has to get all the information from the document which we gave. So there is no hallucination in it. It is not from the LLM directly. So it understands through the LLM with the document that we gave. And user asks a question. It searches from the document, which means like retrieves everything, all the relevant information from it, and understands using the LLM through the prompt that we gave and gets the answer. So that is how the entire model works, RAG works. Whereas in MCP, it is completely on the connectivity part, where taking actions, connecting tools. It is nothing to do with understanding or context based. Of course, it is context based, but it does not have any intelligence understanding it. It is just a bunch of API calls in between. So we can do multiple operations, connecting tools, API integrations, everything. And in general, how it works, user request an action. So we can have like multiple agents and agent to agent communication we can make. AI selects appropriate tools. So we can ask a calendar or make plans through it, or any website search, anything it may be, executes tools with parameters and returns live results. So that's how MCP works. So we can understand the difference between each other. It is all about the context that we give, and it understands through the documents that we give. But here it is all about connectivity part. And so data and tool connectivity. So both are completely different from each other. So this is what it is. And we'll see like small execution, the difference. So these are like, let's take example, like these are the documents that we feed. Like I just gave it as a 2-line, but we can give like bunch of PDFs and folder or drive, anything it may be. So it access through that, and we can just ask anything from it, like sample question, tell me about Python 3.12, because it has the information, because we fed it, and it gets the information because it is in the document, and through the prompt it understands what it is and generates answer for it. So we have the knowledge base, source file, and get the answer from the source, and it understands through the prompt. So this is how it works. And here we have like multiple tool. We can get anything through it, and we have the data for it. Very action database. Yeah. So multiple tools we can just connect and get results from it. The task we need to assign, and the protocol we need to set. It is like a rule that we need to write. How it need to fetch the information and get the results for us. So that we need to design. So the connection will work accordingly. So that is how this MCP thing works. So I hope the difference is it is very understandable, right? So it is about the context directly, but here it is about the tools directly. So we can it makes the entire thing easy to work with. So both have like unique AI betterment use cases. So that's how it different from each other. So that's all I have for today. See you all next video. Thank you. Bye.